In this video, I'm going to show you how to load plugins in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to open a track, so I do have one over here, and let's say I want to add plugins to this specific track over here. You first want to go to the very left-hand side of your track, and then here at the top left, you can see this kind of button. So you want to click on it, and you want to enable inserts A to E. So you want to click on the check marks, and of course, they're going to enable over here. Now, if you can't see this for some reason, you could also go to View up top, Edit Window Views, and then you want to click on Inserts A to E, and it's going to get enabled. Now, from here, you now want to load your plugins in here. So you want to click on an empty slot, doesn't matter which one, it could be the first or the last, whatever. You can just click on here, and then from no insert, you want to hover over plugin, and you want to find the plugin that you want. So, for example, if I go to equalizers, hover over it, click on EQ37 band mono, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to, there we go, load in that specific plugin. Now I can go and change things, and then when I'm done, I can just click on the X button over here, and there we go, the plugin has been loaded. You can also go and click on a separate spot and add a new plugin over here as well. There we go, and it's going to add that one in here as well. If you want to change its properties or settings, you simply want to click on a specific plugin, and it's going to open it up like this, and you can of course bypass them by right-clicking and pressing bypass, and if you want to remove the plugins, you want to click on the dot icon to the left of your plugin and click on no insert, and there we go, it's gonna get removed. So that's all you have to know by loading plugins. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.